Unit 5. At the museum. Listening 5. Read and listen.
Do you have sleepovers and stay at your cousin's house all night? Imagine staying all night in a museum. That's the big night. It's a sleepover at the museum. It's dark in the museum at night. Is it scary? No. Is it boring? No. It's exciting. Come and see. Welcome to the big night at the museum. In the day, you can visit the museum, and at night, you can sleep there. The big night starts at 6:30 in the evening. Bring a comfortable sleeping bag and a torch. These are the activities. 7 o'clock. Egypt quiz. You can win exciting prizes. 7:30. Dinner in the cafe in the museum. Lovely food and great milkshakes. 8 o'clock. Art. Make posters about Egypt or make a scary mask. 9 o'clock. Amazing stories from ancient Egypt. Very funny and not boring. 10 o'clock. Bedtime. Get into your sleeping bags and get comfortable. 8 o'clock. Wake up. Time for breakfast. 9 o'clock. Gallery visit. Watch a film about ancient Egypt. The big night finishes at 10 o'clock on Sunday morning. Watch out! Children always want to come again.